Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn the combination of item categories and account assignment categories in purchasing. Means how the item categories are linked to the account assignment categories in the configuration. So the configuration path is here. SPRO, material management, purchasing, account assignment, define combination of item categories and account assignment categories. So I will take you to the SAP screen and let us see this, how they are configured actually. Okay, for example, I will take you to the here, this one. So the configuration path is in IMG, display IMG or SPRO, material management, purchasing, account assignment, define combination of item categories and account assignment categories. So this is the setup of the item categories with the account assignment categories. So let us take the first item, which is standard. Blank is standard. For the item category standard, we have so many account assignment categories. Okay, starting from A to Y. So if I count here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So for the item category standard, we have 14 account assignment categories, okay, which are linked. That means if I create any purchasing document, whether it is a purchase acquisition or a purchase order or a contract or a scheduling agreement with standard item category, I can use these 14 account assignment categories. Okay, so let us just go a little bit down here. Let us take the next here, the item category L. Okay, what is this L? Item category subcontracting. Okay, if we create a purchasing document with item category L, which is subcontracting, we can use these, account assignment categories starting from 9 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can use this 7 account assignment categories. Okay, if I use the item category yes, I can use these, account assignment categories. So now, let us see this one. Okay, so let us, try to create a purchase order or a purchase acquisition and see. Okay, so that is, how we can use these account assignment categories for the item categories as per the configuration. So let us take one example, simplest example, item category standard, which is blank here. So let me take you to the SAP screen here. Okay, for example, I try to create a purchase order. Okay, so I am in the create purchase order screen here. For example, so let me go back here. I take creation of a purchase order and show you this one. Okay, I am in ME21 in screen. I will put some vendor. Okay, then I will put some material. Okay, I will put enter and let me put some material. Okay, this material. Okay, for my plant and storage location. Okay, some quantity. Let us say 5. Now, okay, I have to put some quantity 5. 1 second, it is 5. Okay, enter. Now, let us, let me use the item category, which is standard. Okay, normally, we create chasing documents with standard item categories. Okay, most of the 90% of our for purchasing documents we create using the item category standard, which is blank. Okay, so here, if I click here on the account assignment category here, for here, we can see all those, account assignment categories which are available in the, which are linked in the configuration to the item category standard here. So I told you, right, there are 14 actually. For example, okay, let us use, try to use K here. See, K. Okay, for example, where is K is cost center. Okay, just if I use the account assignment category K cost center, it will ask me to input the cost center here. I have to input the cost center. Okay, for example, let us say I have one cost center. Let me see 150000. Okay, so it is fine. Okay, like that. So let us, try to use another, item category. Okay, let me go back down here. For example, here, let me try to use the item category L. Okay, L. Okay, L. So let us go to here, I am trying to create, another purchase order, let's say, with item category L. Okay. So here, see here, just order with another vendor, let us say. L means subcontracting. Okay. For the item category L subcontracting, I can use which account assignment categories. As you can see here, I can use, only this one, starting from 9 to X. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us say I want to use, okay, account assignment category K, which is cost center, which normally use, okay, most of the time. Okay, I will go to my create purchase order screen with item category L. Okay, I will go for, I can use, only those 7 account assignment categories as I have shown you in the configuration. I cannot use all this. Okay, I can use only those which are there in configuration. So let us try to use this account assignment category cost center. Where is K here? See, K, cost center. So it will ask me to input the GL account and the cost center. Okay, so my GL account I will input. Okay, I will use my, okay, so I will use this cost center 150000. It will allow me like this. So here, so that is what I want to tell you is like, so if we want to use, these, item categories like L, S or standard, we can use only those account assignment categories which are preset here in the configuration. Okay, that is one important part of the configuration of, that is, how the item categories are linked to the account assignment categories. Okay, next thing is define account assignment categories. So how the account assignment categories are, defined in the configuration, okay, in SAP system. So let us go to this account assignment categories and also, see some details about this one. Okay, for example, let me take you to the configuration screen. Okay, so here, I will go back here, back. So let us go to the maintain account assignment categories. The path is same: material management, purchasing, account assignment, and maintain account assignment categories. Okay, let me click here. If I open this maintain account assignment categories, I can see so many account assignment categories here. For example, let us say any one account assignment category which we know and which we are using most of the time. For example, I will take cost center. So cost center we are using very much. I will select K, which is cost center, means account assignment category K, which is cost center I have selected, and I will click on. Okay, if I go to details here, so what are the settings for the account assignment category K cost center? I can see here. Okay, for example, the first thing is here, we can see here AA, the account assignment changeable at IR. It is selected. That means here IR means invoice. That means here when I have created a purchase order, let us say I have used some account assignment category, or I have used some cost center. Okay, so after, okay, I created a purchase order, and then post I already posted a GR also. Then we come to know that we have used some incorrect cost center. So nothing to worry. So we can change the cost center, correct cost center, when we are posting the invoice. That is the meaning of this account assignment changeable at IR means invoice receipt. So when you have used incorrect account assignment in the when you created purchase order, you can change it with the correct account assignment when we are posting the invoice. Okay, that is the first one thing here. The second thing is, you can see here goods receipt is selected and invoice receipt is selected. That means, when we create a purchase order for with account assignment category K cost center, goods receipt is possible and invoice receipt is also possible. Okay, so that is the second thing here. So here, I have marked here in my document here. The second thing is the cost is posted to a consumption account here. Okay, consumption posting. You can see here. Okay, let me take you here. See, you can see here, consumption posting. See, it is posted to some consumption account. Consumption account means just now, right? As I have just shown you here. When I create a purchase order with account assignment category K cost center, I had to use some cost center. So whatever the cost of these materials, okay, which I am procuring from this vendor, they are posted to this cost center 150000 and this GL account. Okay, like that. So the next thing here is in this configuration is, so when we create a PO with items for account assignment category cost center is a mandatory field here. You can see here. See, mandatory field. Okay, let me show you here. See, you can see here, right? Cost center here. See here, you can see this. See, okay, I have see here. Cost center is a mandatory here. So we have to mandatorily input the cost center. Okay, so these are the uh, important that is settings, configuration settings. Okay, when we are using the account assignment category K cost center. Apart from this one, okay, if you want to use any other account assignment category apart from this one, and also we can find those settings. But I have shown you this for the cost center K, which is which we are using almost in most of the purchasing documents. So these are the configurations, okay, which are set up for the define account assignment categories, or for the account assignment categories, as well as the linking of the item categories and account assignment categories. So in this video, I think we have learned how the item categories are linked to account assignment categories, and also how the account assignment categories are configured, so that we can use them when we create the purchasing documents like a purchase requisition, or a purchase order, or a contract, or a scheduling agreement. So thank you for watching my video, and we will meet in my next video, where we will create some new document type for a purchase requisition and test this same. So see you in my next video.